Happy August, guys. Y'all already know what time of day it is. We got our Ipsy package in. Let's get to unboxing. We're going to kick off the month hot and heavy with the Icon box. Ooh. Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are the icons for this month. Just gives you a look into their life, the foods that they cook, and some of the products that we will receive in this month's box. Let's get on to unboxing, y'all. Ooh, we got some good stuff, though. All right, I hope I got some of this. First up from First Aid Beauty is the Facial Radiance Pads. You get 60 pads in here. And this retails for $38, guys. Just a quick FYI, with the Icon box, you get 8 celeb curated full-size products worth up to $350, and this is $60 per quarter. Up next from Kosas, this is the Weightless Satin Lipstick in the shade High Cut, and this retails for $28, I believe. From Patchology, this is the Serve Chilled on Ice Firming Eye Gels. And that's what it looks like. These retail for $35. From KVD, this Pore Refining Primer, and this retails for $34. From the brand Fume, I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but this is a Brilliant Cleansing Gel. It's a gentle facial wash, and this retails for $32. From Lit Beauty, we get the Everyday Brush Set. This retails for $48, and you get 6 brushes in this pack. From Fenty Skin, we have the Watch Your Tone Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum, and this retails for $42. I love this brand. Happy to see this, as well as their primer from KVD. And lastly, from Iconic London, this multi-use cream blush, bronze, and highlight palette. These are the shades right here. Sorry for the glare, guys, and this retails for $49. And this is what I received in this month's Icon box. I think it's a pretty decent box. I am pleasantly surprised and pleased with this box. But when I look at this page here and I see the Morphe Setting Spray, Pat McGrath, Danessa Myricks, I'm like, Makeup Forever. I kind of wanted some of those. But nonetheless, I am satisfied with my box. Let me know what you guys got in yours, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.